Did you know that the beauty industry produces millions of tons of waste each year? It's true. Much of that waste comes from packaging and harmful ingredients. But there's good news. A new wave of eco-friendly makeup brands is here. These brands are committed to protecting our planet. They use sustainable practices and natural ingredients. Traditional makeup often contains chemicals that can harm our skin and the environment. These chemicals can end up in our waterways and harm wildlife. They can also contribute to air pollution. It's time to make a change. We can choose eco-friendly makeup that is gentle on our skin and the earth. Eco-friendly makeup brands are leading the way towards a more sustainable future. They are proving that beauty doesn't have to come at the cost of our planet's health. These brands offer a wide range of products. You can find everything from foundation and mascara to lipstick and eyeshadow. Switching to eco-friendly makeup is easier than you think. There are many brands and products available to suit every need and budget. By making conscious choices, we can reduce our environmental impact and embrace a more sustainable beauty routine. Let's explore some of the leading eco-friendly makeup brands and discover the benefits of making the switch. Together, we can make a difference. One brand leading the charge is Elate Cosmetics. Elate is known for its bamboo packaging and commitment to sustainability. Their products are vegan and cruelty-free. They offer a wide range of colors and finishes. Another great option is RMS Beauty. RMS Beauty uses raw organic ingredients in their makeup. Their products are designed to nourish and enhance your natural beauty. They are packaged in recyclable materials. Kjaer Weis is another brand making waves in the eco-friendly makeup world. Kjaer Weis offers luxurious, high-performance makeup. They use organic and natural ingredients. Their packaging is refillable. This reduces waste. These brands are just a glimpse into the growing world of eco-friendly makeup. They are setting a new standard for the beauty industry. By choosing these brands, you are supporting sustainable practices. You are also making a statement about your values. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients that make eco-friendly makeup so special. Eco-friendly makeup brands use natural and organic ingredients. These ingredients are better for your skin and the environment. Common ingredients include plant oils, butters, and extracts. These ingredients provide nourishment and hydration. They also create beautiful colors and textures. Eco-friendly makeup is free from harsh chemicals. Traditional makeup often contains parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. These chemicals can disrupt hormones and irritate the skin. They can also contaminate water sources. Eco-friendly makeup brands avoid these harmful ingredients. They opt for safer alternatives. This ensures your health and the well-being of the planet. By choosing eco-friendly makeup, you are making a conscious decision to avoid these harmful chemicals. You are opting for products that are gentle on your skin and the environment. In the next section, we'll explore the innovative ways eco-friendly makeup brands are tackling packaging waste. Packaging waste is a major concern in the beauty industry. Eco-friendly makeup brands are tackling this issue head-on by using innovative materials and practices. Many brands are opting for recyclable and biodegradable packaging, significantly reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Some brands are even using post-consumer recycled materials, giving new life to existing materials. Refillable packaging is another sustainable solution. Brands like Kjaer Weis offer refillable compacts, allowing you to purchase refills for your favorite products, and this reduces the need for single-use packaging. By choosing eco-friendly makeup brands that prioritize sustainable packaging, you are making a tangible difference. You are supporting a more circular economy and reducing your environmental footprint. Every purchase you make is a vote for the kind of world you want to live in. By choosing eco-friendly makeup, you are supporting brands that align with your values. You are sending a strong message to the beauty industry, demanding more sustainable practices. The demand for eco-friendly products is growing, which is encouraging more brands to adopt sustainable practices. Your choices have the power to drive change. You can make a difference by supporting brands that are committed to protecting our planet. Together, we can create a more beautiful and sustainable future. Let's embrace the green glam revolution and make conscious choices for our health and the well-being of our planet. The green glam revolution is here, and it's time to join the movement. By choosing eco-friendly makeup, you are making a positive impact on your health and the environment. You are supporting brands that prioritize sustainability and reducing your contribution to waste and pollution. Embrace the beauty of natural ingredients and sustainable practices. Explore the wide range of eco-friendly makeup brands available. Find the products that work best for you. Together, we can make a difference. Let's choose beauty that is good for us and good for the planet. Join the Green Glam revolution today.